today's video, I'm going to try and attempt to show everybody how I get into trades, how I get out of trades, what my method is, what my process is. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at the daily time frame. We're going to be looking for the overall direction of the trend. And as you can see on the Nasdaq currently, you can see the overall trend line is up. And we can see that through various different methods. We can see the 250 EMAs are both on the up. We've also got a parallel channel. So we've got price testing the lows and then price coming down from the upside of the channel. What I would then do is when the trend has been established is I would go down to a lower time frame and see if there's any areas that I'd like to enter from. So I'll move down into the 1 hour time frame, and I can also see a smaller channel appear, which is in an upward channel, which gives me a good area of potential support and resistance where I might be able to enter. You can see at the lower low here, then you've got a high, another lower low here, and then another high here. So what I was trying to do this week is to try and find a good entry position at the lower part of this channel. And you can see a position that I put in here. And I entered that for two reasons. It was near to a support and resistance area, which is across here at 24,580. And I was looking to try and get an area roughly towards the lower part of this channel. Now, I did enter a nice position. If we just go into the 5-minute time frame, and got a good solid risk reward on that. The problem that I had is that I left that position on overnight, hoping that in the following day I might see some follow through. Unfortunately, the price came back all the way down and tagged me out for break even. I had put a really good entry position. I was quite frustrated because the very next day it shot right up. From my perspective, because I was trading with a relatively small stop loss there, the risk reward was massive. Even at the time before I went to bed that night, I had a 3.8 risk reward within the space of less than an hour and a half, 2 hours. Had that position have not stopped out overnight, at the moment it would have been 10.64 risk reward up. Now I know it got stopped out, but what it does show me is that there is potential for really good precision entries and massive risk reward.